Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Kitchen Island is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable pieces of furniture you can add to your home, especially when it comes to maximizing your kitchen space and functionality, offering a perfect blend of storage, workspace, and mobility that can transform how you cook, entertain, and organize your culinary haven, making it an ideal solution for kitchens of all sizes, from compact apartments to spacious family homes, providing an efficient and stylish way to enhance your daily kitchen experience. Number 5. Homestyles Dolly Madison Kitchen Island Cart. Introducing the Dolly Madison Kitchen Island Cart, a versatile addition to your kitchen. Its sleek black finish and natural wood top offer both style and functionality. Crafted from solid and engineered wood, this cart is built to last. The brushed nickel hardware adds a touch of elegance to its sturdy design. Enjoy generous storage with 3 drawers and 2 adjustable shelves. Keep your kitchen essentials organized and easily accessible. Need more counter space? The convenient drop leaf easily folds up, providing extra room for meal prep or breakfast. This cart also includes a handy paper towel holder and a spice rack on the ends, keeping frequently used items within reach. Some assembly is required to put this functional piece together. Get ready to enhance your kitchen's utility and style. What we like? This cart offers ample storage with 3 drawers and adjustable shelves. It also includes convenient extras like a paper towel holder and spice rack. If you need a versatile cart with dedicated spots for frequently used items, this is a great choice for keeping your kitchen organized. What people say. The top is a heavy piece of wood that's been finished with a waterproofing that keeps it from getting water rings or stains. It was easy enough to put together that I did it mostly alone within 2 hours. My husband had to help with the metal locking mechanisms because those were a little tough to get fully closed, but I know each piece is actually secure in place thanks to those. The wood countertop is beautifully finished and surprisingly spacious, perfect for prepping meals or even sitting down for breakfast with a cup of coffee. Number 4. IRONCK Rolling Kitchen Island with Drop Leaf. Keep your kitchen organized with ample storage. It features concealed cabinets for appliances and cookware, plus easy-glide drawers for utensils and dinnerware. A convenient spice rack and towel bar are also included. Need more room? The drop leaf countertop easily expands to give you extra workspace when you need it. Simply fold it down to save space when not in use. Customize your storage with adjustable interior shelves. They can be set to 3 different heights, perfect for storing items like wine bottles, kettles, or large pots. This piece is more than just a kitchen island. It can also serve as a dining bar, a hotel cart, a baker's rack, or a microwave cart, fitting perfectly in your kitchen, dining room, or hallway. Move it wherever you need it with its 4 smooth rolling casters, complete with 2 locking brakes for stability. Assembly is straightforward with all parts and clear instructions, taking about 30 to 60 minutes for 2 people. What we like? With its large concealed cabinets and adjustable shelves, this island provides significant hidden storage for appliances and cookware. The 4 smooth rolling casters, 2 with brakes, offer excellent mobility and stability. If you're looking for a cart that can hide away clutter and move easily, this is ideal for maximizing your kitchen's functionality. What people say. It has great storage space, and the surface is perfect for preparing food, serving, or even enjoying my coffee in peace. It drastically improves the efficiency of meal prep and cooking. I love the expandable countertop, which is very easy to adjust up-down. The drop-down leaf is perfect to give the extra space if and when needed. Number 3. IRONCK Rolling Kitchen Island with Drop Leaf. Introducing the IRONCK Kitchen Island, a versatile addition to your home. It offers ample storage and convenient features to simplify your kitchen tasks. Keep your kitchen organized with its large, easy-glide drawers and a spacious door cabinet. Additionally, 3 tiers of open shelving provide quick access to frequently used items. Need more workspace? Simply expand the drop leaf countertop for extra room. When not in use, it easily folds down to save space. Customize your storage with adjustable interior shelves. They can be set to 3 different heights, perfect for accommodating items of various sizes, from wine bottles to large pots. This island isn't just for the kitchen, it functions beautifully as a dining bar, a hotel cart, or even a microwave stand. Its adaptable design fits seamlessly into any room. Move it wherever you need it with its 4 smooth rolling casters. Two of these casters have locking brakes, ensuring it stays securely in place when you need stability. What we like? This option features a combination of a door cabinet, 3 open shelves, and adjustable interior shelves for diverse storage needs. It's perfect for those who appreciate both enclosed and accessible storage solutions. If you like having dedicated spaces for different types of kitchen items, this cart will help keep everything tidy and within reach. What people say. It rolls smoothly, adds great style to my kitchen, and we use it constantly for extra space. It looks exactly as pictured, and just offers so much storage space. The drawers open and close beautifully, the pulls handles don't wiggle at all, and the doors align perfectly. Assembly is a project, but instructions are clear and easy to follow. Was able to assemble it easily by myself. Finish on the surfaces was perfect. Very impressed with the pre-drilled hole tolerances, with everything lining up as it's supposed to. Number 2. YITAHOME Kitchen Island with Storage. Introducing a stylish and mobile kitchen cart designed to offer extra storage. It's perfect for holding utensils and prepared food, allowing you to easily move it around your home. Built with a thick solid wood top and sturdy legs, this cart offers exceptional stability. Its waterproof and scratch-proof finish ensures easy cleaning and safe food preparation. Maximize your kitchen space with its large countertop, perfect for appliances or as a cutting board. It also features 3 drawers and 3 open shelves to keep all your essentials organized. Equipped with 360-degree industrial wheels, this cart moves effortlessly wherever you need it. 2 lockable wheels provide stability when you want it to stay in place. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and included tools. We are committed to providing excellent products and customer service for your satisfaction. What we like? Boasting a solid wood countertop and a sturdy structure supporting up to 300 pounds, this cart is built for durability and heavy use. The 360-degree industrial wheels ensure easy movement and load-bearing capacity. If you need a robust and reliable cart that can handle substantial weight and move smoothly, this is the one to consider. What people say. Height is perfect. Love that it's on wheels. Plenty of storage with 3 drawers and the shelves. Very sturdy and well made. Top is a beautiful wood. Agate gray, and it's very stylish looking. This arrived quickly and was pretty straightforward to put together. I was expecting difficulty based on other reviews, but found it perfectly fine, and it took me about an hour or so. The unit was much less flimsy than I was expecting, so was very pleased. It's a really useful addition to my tiny kitchen where I have limited worktops, so needed a place to position my microwave. Easy build, fab dark color, and easy to move about once built. Currently use this for my crafting machine. Excellent quality for the price. Would definitely buy again. Number 1. Yaheetech White Kitchen Island Cart with Drop Leaf. This kitchen cart offers ample storage with 3 drawers, a spice rack, and a cabinet. It's designed to hold all your kitchen essentials, from cutlery to appliances, helping you save space. The cabinet features adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the height to fit items of various sizes. Easily adapt the space for utensils, pots, pans, or small appliances. With its elegant design, this rolling island complements any kitchen decor. It can also transform into a stylish bar counter for serving cocktails when paired with stools. Move this cart with ease thanks to its 5 universal wheels, including a central one for added stability. It offers effortless maneuverability and can be locked in place when stationary. Maintaining this cart is a breeze. The water-resistant top and coated body make cleaning simple with just a damp cloth, ensuring it stays looking great with minimal effort. What we like? This cart stands out with its 5 universal wheels, including one in the middle for enhanced stability, and a durable rubber wood top. Its water-resistant surface makes cleaning a breeze. If you prioritize effortless maneuverability, stability, and low maintenance, this cart is an excellent choice for your kitchen. What people say. The drop leaf feature is very convenient for saving space when not in use. It has a lot of storage space with multiple shelves and drawers. The wheels make it easy to move around the kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.